And for the winner for the first ever Naga Home sa Fatima 2025, let's have Honorable Ryan E. Boyster and Honorable Liza May 12, Mr. Jerome Camacho for the bouquet, and Mr. Erwin Boyori for the crown.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up goes to Naga Home number. Ayaw niya palintiyo mga nagyod ang mga baji. Ang ato ang matahong sa Fatima. Yes. Sige na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up goes to
Wala ba yung sound ni?